So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here in this video I'm going to explain you about purification of the organic compounds. So this is generally the from the organic chemistry. The reference I have taken from the organic ball and ball. So let's start the video. So if you are new to my channel, so go and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon also for latest updates, and please like this video. And if you like this content and also like my explanation, so let's start guys. Before going to the studying of the purification of organic compounds, the people behind the purification of the process of purification of the organic compounds in the future are the scientists who invented the purification, who have first keep the purification of first have an experiment on the purification of the organic compounds, and who discovered it was Justice F. von Liebig. He born in 1803 and expired in 1873, and he's actually a German, and he was a founder of agriculture chemistry. He is also the agricultural chemistry. Liebig invented many pieces of laboratory apparatus which are still daily in use. Means Justice F. von Liebig, who have invented many pieces of laboratory apparatus which are still in use. Means he invented the laboratory apparatus. Means he discovered it, which are used by now itself. Now also it is used, and the basically organic compounds are separated from the impurities by many of the methods like crystallization, sublimation. Here it is listed that crystallization, sublimation, distillation, fractional distillation under reduced pressure, steam distillation, and extraction with solvents. So coming to the introduction, the organic compounds derived from the natural sources are not pure. Means organic compounds derived from the natural sources, mainly organic compounds are derived from the natural sources, are not that much pure. So to obtain the purity of the pure compounds, there are some processes which we can employ. After employing that process, we can easily extract the purified some organic compounds. They are oftenly mixed with other substances which also occur with them. Means I have just said that point. So here organic compounds are not pure, and they are mixed with each other substances. Means these organic compounds are mixed with another impurities, maybe another impurities, or maybe other organic compounds. So they are in mixed form. So similarly, the compounds prepared in the laboratory are generally mixed with the products, which may also have been course of reaction. Means generally also in the laboratories, the products are mixed in mixed forms, because during the course of reaction, while reaction it may be mixed with other organic compounds. So in order to study its properties and to determine the formula, a given substances must be first of all obtained in the state of purity. Means to extract, to isolate, or to in order to study, for studying the proper study of the compounds, like for studying the proper compounds, proper study of the physical its properties, study of the physical properties, and to determine its formula, a given substance must be first of all obtained in the state of purity. To study that properties of a compound and its also to determine the formula, we have to first know the state of purity. Means first, after getting a purified compound, we can able to study the purity and to determine its formula. So after getting the purified compound, we can able to easily determine a purity and its formula too. And the method employed for the purification depends on the nature of the organic compounds. Means purification process may be depends on the process, depends on the organic compound. Means some of the organic compounds are have the different physical properties and chemical properties. So based on the nature of the organic compounds, the impurities are present in it. The process commonly used for separation and purification are the mainly process of the purification and separation of the uh, organic compounds are listed here. As you can see here, there are first one, crystallization. Purification, separation and purification takes place by crystallization, sublimation, and distillation. Here distillation is there, and fraction distillation is there, and distillation under reduced pressure. And sixth one is steam distillation and extraction with solvents also. Next, last one. And from these seven processes, we can able to separate and purify organic compounds. So by these seven processes, we can able to separate and purify the organic compounds. By step we are going to study about these processes: crystallization and distillation and sublimation, fractional distillation which are reduced under pressure, under reduced pressure, and steam distillation and extraction with solvents. We are going to study now. So coming to the crystallization, first process is crystallization. Here you can see that crystallization means in the most general, crystallization is the general method for preparation of solid organic substances. Crystallization crystallization is the most commonly used for the purification of solid organic compounds. In principle, it is the same as employed for inorganic compounds. Means inorganic salts also, the process is also same. For organic compounds also, the process is also same, but only difference is that here addition of water and several other solvents used are different in organic and inorganic salts. So there is only the difference is addition of water in it and solvents used. The most common solvents used are acetone, alcohol, ether, chloroform, benzene, etc. So these are common solvents used in the crystallization process. So let's coming to the next point: procedure of crystallization. Means in this paragraph we study that crystallization is the most common method for the separation of solid substances, solid organic substances, and the principle is same for the organic and inorganic salts, but the solvents used in the crystallization is different. Sometimes it may be used ether, acetone, chloroform, benzene. They are used. These type of organic solvents are used. So next, coming to the procedure. Here you can see that the apparatus of the crystallization process. So here you can clearly see that this is apparatus of the crystallization process. This is the apparatus of the crystallization process. As you can see clearly here, preparation of like here you can see preparation of solution, and we are going to study about procedure of the crystallization process. The solvents in which the given substance is more soluble at higher temperatures. Means for separation and purification of a compounds, solvents used is more soluble. Means soluble with the solute. Means the organic compounds which are means here you can see this is the solvent, the substance, this is the substance, organic compound which we are organic compound which are going to be separated with the impurities. So after After mixing it with the solvents in the experiment here, these solvents has to be higher, soluble at higher temperature than the room temperature selected, and the solvent is heated with excess of solid substances. The solvent is to be heated, and saturated solution. Saturated means the solute concentration in the solution is adequate, means you can see that solution, this is the solution. If we are adding the solute, the adequate solute particles are there in the saturated solution, so because of that we can call it as a saturated solution. Here saturated solution, we make it after adding the solute particles, means organic compound is solute here. After adding the organic compounds, organic compounds in the solution solvent, the solution, saturated solution is prepared and filtered still hot, while still hot, and while still hot, after making this, like here you can see that this is the solution, and here it is solvents. After heating it with the excess of heat, this solution becomes saturated, and this is the apparatus. Solution becomes saturated. After saturation, while the filtration takes place, while it is hot also, in it, मतलब इसका प्यूरिफिकेशन से जब ये हॉट कंडीशन में रहने के जब प्यूरिफाई कर सकते हैं इसका, यहाँ बोल रहे हैं, या ये पॉइंट बोल रहा है कि दस प्रिपेयर्ड इज फिल्टर्ड वाइल स्टिल हॉट. इसका सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन को ये जब हम अपन ये जो apparatus जो हम ये सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन को जब हम हीट कर रहे हैं, तो ये सोल्यूट पार्टिकल्स will get mixed up and the saturated solution will form, and this has to be hot while keep it in a side. And as the filtrate cools, the pure solid crystal separates, which may be removed by filtration. The solid particles after filtration takes place, the filtration, the various other processes have to be employed in this condition. And next, coming to the preparation of the solution, how we have to prepare the solution, we are going to study in this session now, in this video now, in this coming session now. So next, coming to this one here, preparation of solution means a suitable quantity of the powdered substance is how we have to prepare. हम ये preparation कैसा बनाए, वो वाला process हम कैसे बनाए, वही हम अब पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. And this is the preparation of the solution. A suitable quantity of powdered substance is taken. Powdered substance like organic compounds लेने के बाद conical flask में डालकर स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, ये ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड जो ले रहे हैं वो कोनिकल फ्लास्क में डालने के बाद थोड़ा सा सॉल्वेंट, स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट डालने के बाद द क्वांटिटी ऑफ दिस सॉल्वेंट शुड बी enough to dissolve by whole of the solid in the while boiling. ये जो हम लोग ये जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड एंड सॉल्वेंट जब एक तरह मिक्स हो जाता है ये कोनिकल फ्लास्क में, तो देन आफ्टर बॉइलिंग मीन्स जब बॉइलिंग के टाइम पर ये अच्छे तरह से मिक्स होना, मिक्स होने के बाद ये जब हम जब हम हीट करते हैं, ये दो सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट दो मिल जाते हैं. मिल जाने के बाद वी गेट है सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. यहाँ हम ये दो हीट होने के बाद हमको ये सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन मिलता है, ये वाला सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन मिलता है. जब इसको निकाल कर हम फिल्टर करते हैं, एंड फिल्टर करने के बाद ये जब हॉट रहता है जब ही इसको फिल्टर करना चाहिए. एंड देन जो फिल्टर करने के बाद जो बचा कचा रहता है वो वाला इम्प्योरिटीज होता है ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में। सो हम लोग ऐसे प्रोसेस से ये